Do you ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances while others struggle month after month? If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by your cash flow, you're not alone. Whether you're running a business or managing personal finances, understanding how to manage cash flow is crucial for keeping everything on track. In this video, we'll dive into 8 simple yet powerful ways you can improve your monthly cash flow and gain more control over your financial situation. Ready to turn your financial stress into financial success? Let's get started. 1. Create a cash flow forecast. The first step to managing cash flow is creating a forecast. A forecast is like a roadmap for your money. It shows you exactly when cash will be coming in and going out. By projecting your income and expenses over a specific period, you can anticipate cash shortages or surpluses before they happen. This helps you plan for things like big payments or unexpected expenses, so you aren't caught off guard. Regularly checking your forecast against actual performance allows you to make adjustments as needed. If you see that you're running behind on projected income or your expenses are higher than expected, you can take action right away, either by adjusting spending or seeking additional income sources. You'll want to keep an eye on things weekly or monthly to ensure you're on track. Tools like QuickBooks or even simple spreadsheets can help you monitor your cash flow with ease, giving you the ability to make informed decisions before committing to any large financial obligations. This proactive approach prevents last-minute panic when you're faced with a shortfall. 2. Monitor cash flow regularly. Once you have your forecast in place, it's crucial to monitor cash flow regularly. Don't wait until the end of the month to check your financial status. Reviewing your cash flow weekly or monthly gives you a clear picture of where your money stands. By staying consistent with your check-ins, you'll catch any issues early on, and that can make all the difference in preventing a financial setback. It's much easier to make small adjustments along the way than to let problems snowball into bigger issues. Whether you use a cash flow tracking software or even a simple Excel template, make sure you're reviewing your numbers to ensure there are no surprises. Regular monitoring helps you stay disciplined and focused, keeping your financial situation on track without slipping into bad habits. And the more frequently you monitor, the more comfortable and confident you'll feel about your financial health. This regular review will also help you fine-tune your forecasting process to make it more accurate and reliable. 3. Manage your credit control effectively. Managing your credit control can have a huge impact on your cash flow. If you're running a business or freelancing, invoicing promptly and setting up a system to collect payments quickly is key. By sending invoices immediately after completing a service or delivery, you can reduce the chances of delayed payments. The longer you wait to invoice, the longer it takes to receive your money, and the more likely it is that cash flow will suffer. A good strategy is to consider offering early payment discounts as an incentive for clients or customers to pay faster. Offering small discounts, like 2% off the total invoice for early payment, can make a big difference in encouraging prompt payments. You can also set clear payment terms upfront and include penalties for late payments, ensuring you are more likely to get paid on time. Having an efficient credit control system in place can also help you manage your relationships with clients and suppliers more effectively, making it easier to work through any issues that arise. 4. Control your expenses. When it comes to managing cash flow, it's not just about how much you earn but also how much you spend. To keep things under control, creating a budget and sticking to it is essential. Regularly reviewing your expenses allows you to spot areas where you can cut back. For example, maybe there's a subscription you don't need, or a service you can do without for a while. Perhaps your business is paying for office space that's too large for its current needs, or you could reduce energy costs by switching providers. Negotiating better terms with suppliers or switching to more affordable alternatives can free up cash that can be better spent elsewhere. By prioritizing liquidity over profitability in tough times, you'll have more flexibility to weather cash flow fluctuations. It's also a great idea to regularly review your fixed and variable expenses, ensuring you're not overcommitting in areas that don't bring enough value. By keeping a tight grip on spending and looking for creative ways to cut costs, you can help ensure your business stays financially healthy, even in lean months. 5. Build a cash reserve. Building up a cash reserve is one of the best ways to manage unexpected financial challenges. Think of it like your financial cushion, a buffer that helps you stay afloat during slow months or emergencies. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of operating expenses. That way, If something unexpected comes up, whether it's a business emergency or a personal financial crisis, you won't have to scramble to cover it. Even if you start small, building up this reserve will give you peace of mind and financial stability. The best part? This cash reserve gives you the freedom to make business decisions without constantly worrying about running out of funds. When you're financially secure, you're in a better position to take on new opportunities and challenges with confidence. Building a reserve isn't an overnight process, but the more you can set aside, the more freedom you'll have in making future financial decisions. 6. Diversify your revenue streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Diversifying your revenue streams can help stabilize your cash flow. If your primary income source faces a dip, having other channels can help maintain a steady flow of cash. For businesses, this might mean expanding your products or services or forming partnerships. For example, if you're a freelancer, consider offering different services or products to different clients or sectors. If you have a business, look into new market segments or collaborations that could bring in fresh income. Even individuals can benefit from diversifying their income by looking for side hustles or passive income streams. The more ways you bring in money, the less vulnerable you'll be to fluctuations in any one stream. This flexibility ensures you stay financially stable, even in uncertain times. Diversifying your revenue also allows you to capitalize on new trends or shifts in the market, helping you stay ahead of the competition. 7. Optimize inventory management. If you run a business, optimizing your inventory management is critical for cash flow. Excess inventory ties up cash that could be used elsewhere, while understocking can lead to missed sales. By keeping inventory levels in check and utilizing inventory management software, you can avoid this balancing act. Efficient inventory management ensures that you're not over-investing in products that are not in high demand while also preventing stockouts. Systems like just-in-time inventory allow you to purchase stock only as needed, reducing holding costs and freeing up cash for other expenses. This way, you're ensuring that your cash isn't sitting idle in products but working for you in other ways. Keeping track of your stock also helps you identify trends and optimize purchasing decisions, ensuring you're always stocked with the right amount of product to meet customer demand without overcommitting your resources. 8. Understand your funding options. Finally, it's important to understand your funding options when managing cash flow. There may come a time when your business or personal finances need a boost, and that's where knowing what financing options are available to you can make a significant difference. For example, small businesses might benefit from short-term loans or grants, while others may turn to crowdfunding platforms to raise money for specific projects. It's crucial to explore financing options that align with your long-term goals and needs. You might want to explore options like short-term loans, grants, or even social investment. By having a variety of funding sources at your disposal, you ensure that you're not stuck when unexpected expenses arise. Look into things like asset finance or factoring, which can provide quick liquidity. If you're a business owner, exploring platforms like Crowdfunder for project-specific funding could also be a good choice. Just remember to keep your long-term goals in mind and choose the right financing method for your needs, ensuring you don't overextend yourself financially. And that wraps up our 8 simple yet powerful ways to manage your monthly cash flow better. By creating a reliable cash flow forecast, monitoring it regularly, managing your credit control, controlling expenses, building a cash reserve, diversifying your income streams, optimizing inventory, and understanding your funding options, you'll be well on your way to financial stability. These tips can help you reduce stress, plan better, and make smarter financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with others who might need this advice, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips to keep your finances in check. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.